Imagine a world where two retail giants become one, creating an unstoppable force in the industry. That's what's happening right now. The British retail titan Next has flexed its financial muscles, acquiring the fashionable clothing brand Fat Face in a deal worth a whopping £115 million. Let's take a moment to appreciate the magnitude of this power move. Next, a powerhouse in the retail landscape, has been consistently expanding its e-commerce business, buying stakes in companies and acquiring other retailers. On the other hand, we have Fat Face, a brand that has reported pre-tax profits of £19.5 million in the last year alone. This acquisition isn't just about numbers, though. It's about the fusion of two brands that have carved out unique spaces in the retail sector. Fat Face will continue to operate independently, maintaining its creative freedom, while benefiting from the extensive reach and resources of Next. The retail landscape is about to change dramatically, and it's all thanks to this powerful merger. But what's in it for these two retail powerhouses? Why would Next acquire Fat Face? And how does Fat Face benefit from this deal? Well, let's dissect this a bit. Next's strategy of expansion into e-commerce and acquiring other retailers is not just a show of power or dominance, it's a strategic move that has a ripple effect of benefits, and Fat Face is set to enjoy these perks. By being under the umbrella of Next, Fat Face gets to tap into a more extensive e-commerce platform, reaching a broader audience and enjoying the potential for increased sales. It's like being handed a golden ticket to a larger market. And what about Fat Face's creative independence and the retention of its current management? How does that benefit Next? A valid question indeed. You see, by allowing Fat Face to retain its creative independence, Next ensures that the brand's unique identity, which has been its selling point, remains intact. This means that Fat Face's loyal customer base remains engaged and continues to grow. Retaining Fat Face's current management is equally strategic. It ensures the continuity of the brand's vision and operations, which have proven to be successful, given Fat Face's impressive pre-tax profits in the last year. It's a way of saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Let's not forget how this deal is financed. Next is paying Fat Face's current owners using a combination of cash and new shares in Next. This is a smart move, as it not only secures the deal but also ensures that Fat Face's current bosses remain invested in the business. They retain a 3% stake, meaning they still have a vested interest in seeing the business flourish, even under new ownership. So you see, this acquisition is not just a random business transaction. It's a calculated move, a chess game where both players stand to gain. The combination of Next's expansive reach and Fat Face's unique brand identity and proven business model is like a perfectly brewed cup of tea. Strong, distinctive, and satisfying to the last drop. It's a win-win situation, a strategic move that promises to strengthen both companies and set new standards in the retail industry. The question on everyone's mind now is, what does this mean for the future of retail? As we delve into this topic, it's clear that this acquisition could have significant ripple effects across the retail industry. The integration of Fat Face into Next's already expansive portfolio is a testament to the growing trend of consolidation in retail. It's a strategic move that many other companies may soon follow. This consolidation could potentially lead to a more streamlined and efficient retail landscape, with fewer but more powerful players dictating the trends and practices. As these retail giants grow, they're likely to invest heavily in technology and data analytics. This means more personalized shopping experiences for the consumers. Imagine walking into a store, virtual or physical, where everything is tailored to your tastes, size, and purchasing history. This level of personalization will not only enhance the shopping experience but also increase customer loyalty and satisfaction. Moreover, the merger of brands like Next and Fat Face could mean more choices for consumers under one roof. This one-stop shop model could redefine convenience in retail, saving consumers time and energy. On the flip side, smaller brands may find it challenging to compete with these retail giants. However, it could also push them to innovate and find unique ways to stand out, leading to a more diverse and dynamic retail industry. Additionally, the focus on e-commerce is likely to intensify. With Next's track record of successfully expanding its online presence, we might see Fatface's digital footprint grow exponentially. This could mean a more seamless online shopping experience, with faster delivery times, better customer service, and an even wider range of products available at the click of a button. In conclusion, the future of retail appears to be heading towards consolidation, personalization, convenience, and digitalization. The recent acquisition of Fatface by Next is a vivid example of this trend. As we move forward, we can expect to see more such strategic partnerships, each reshaping the retail landscape in its unique way. The future of retail is exciting, and it's shaped by bold moves like this one. Now that you're informed about this groundbreaking retail news, it's time to join the conversation. What do you make of Next's acquisition of Fatface? Can you envisage the positive impact this could have on the retail industry? Do you see the potential benefits it could bring to both companies and their consumers? In the ever-evolving world of retail, staying informed about such significant industry news is crucial. It's through these discussions that we gain insight, understanding, and a collective perspective. It's not just about the big names making moves, but about how these moves shape the landscape of retail, e-commerce, and business at large. So, don't just be a spectator. Be a part of the conversation. Share your thoughts, your predictions, your apprehensions, or your applause. After all, it's your voice that makes the conversation meaningful. Remember, your opinion matters, so don't forget to subscribe for more updates and comment with your thoughts on this exciting development in the retail world.